So how long does it take to learn trading? And this is a very common question which is asked by a lot of beginners. And it also happens to be a very serious question which requires a serious answer. So I will answer this question in this video not just from my own experience, but also the experience that I have gained by working and meeting with thousands of traders over the past decade. So first and foremost, I want to say that we are living in the age of instant gratification. And what that means is that whatever we want, whatever we feel like we need, we want it right away. And partly, I think what is responsible for this culture of instant gratification is the advancement in the digital technology. So let's say, for example, you want to watch a movie. You don't have to wait, just go to Netflix, go to YouTube, you can watch the movie. If you are in a mood to eat a pizza, just order the pizza on Domino's and the pizza will be right in front of your door the next, let's say, half an hour. So this culture of instant gratification has basically made us a little bit impatient. Now what happens is, with this mindset of instant gratification, a lot of beginners, they come to the stock market, which is very flashy and exciting. Right, so you go to YouTube or you go to different forums and you keep hearing about traders who doubled their money, let's say in 1 or 2 months, or some trader who made 20 or 30 lakh rupees just in one trade. And then the beginners begin to think that, this is so easy, let's just do it. And this is exactly where a lot of beginners go wrong. You see, this feeling of getting instant gratification might be okay if you want to watch a movie or if you are craving for a pizza. But it is absolutely a worst mindset when you want to learn a new skill. See, learning any new skill takes time. And the higher the market value of a particular skill, the longer it takes for you to learn that. For example, if someone wants to become a carpenter, it probably is going to take them a few months. Someone wants to become a web designer, it's going to take them a little longer. Someone wants to become an engineer, it's going to take them 4 years. Someone wants to become a doctor, it's going to take them at least 5 years. So higher the market value of any skill, the longer it takes for you to learn it. Now what happens is, when people come to stock market, this common sense becomes a little bit uncommon. Now a lot of people, they come to us and they say that, why don't you conduct a 2-day workshop or a 5-day workshop and teach us how to trade. And what I tell them is that, look, from trading, you want to make money equivalent or more than what a successful doctor or an engineer would make. But the amount of effort that you are willing to put in order to learn this very valuable skill is not even equivalent to the amount of effort someone puts to learn carpentry or even web designing. So clearly there is a gap in expectation and the effort that you are willing to put to learn that skill. So the bottom line till now, guys, is that learning to trade takes time. There are no shortcuts when it comes to learning this very valuable skill. Now the next question comes, all right, it's granted that it's going to take time, but exactly how much? Now this is where I divide trading into two different categories. One is swing trading, other is intraday trading. Now let's start with swing trading. Swing trading is basically when you are taking a delivery of a position for, let's say, a few days or maybe a few weeks, and you want to hold on to this position till you are either in profit or let's say you are cutting your losses in case the trade doesn't go well. In my experience, if you want to learn swing trading the right way, it takes you at least 6 months. Now let's just break down these 6 months to understand exactly where are you going to spend these 6 months if you want to learn swing trading. Now the first month is spent in just understanding the basics of the stock market. How does the stock market work? Who are the key participants in the stock market? Who are FIIs? Who are DIIs? What is the stock exchange? Who are the mutual funds? What is the broker? And then you will understand the demat account, trading account. Then you will understand the trading platform, the different order types. So understanding all these basic nuts and bolts of trading itself is going to take you at least 1 month. Then you're going to learn technical and fundamental analysis. Now I know that a lot of people, they believe that when someone says about technical analysis, they think about these common patterns like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, piercing, or some sort of a candlestick pattern. But in reality, technical analysis and fundamental analysis, these subjects are much more broader, much more in depth than what a lot of people are aware of. So if you want to learn technical analysis, for example, the right way, using Indian charts, using our own context, understanding the psychology behind why some patterns are formed, why some patterns are more effective than others, it's going to take you a good 1 to 2 months. Once you're done with that, then you will start focusing on the other aspects of trading, like risk management, trading psychology, trade management, and all these aspects are equally critical for your success to long-term trading. So you cannot ignore that, and in order to learn these topics, it will take you a good 1 month. Then comes the mother of all topics, that is derivatives. Derivatives basically means futures and options. Now, learning futures is not going to take you a lot of time, but learning options is entirely different beast that you need to tackle. While learning options, you have to categorize options into two different categories. One is the option pricing, the other is option strategies. Now, option pricing is a little bit of a theoretical subject, but understanding that subject purely from a theory standpoint is a bad idea, because if you cannot make that connection of all those terms that you learn, delta, gamma, theta, making that connection with real life option, taking a look at real life options and see the effect of gamma, for example, on a certain options is going to be extremely critical for your understanding of options. Once you have learned that, then you will go into option strategies. Now again, option strategies, you have tons of option strategies, but what is essential here is understanding which strategy is going to be applied in which market context, and again using real life examples. Now what I see is that a lot of people, they read these books that were written by US authors, and it's good to understand the theory, but when you apply that theory in the Indian stock market, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So you need someone to guide you through the practical aspects of option pricing and option strategies if you want to learn options the right way, and it will take you a good 2 months if you want to learn options properly. After you have finished all these topics, then comes the topic of swing trading strategies. Now the good news here is that the swing trading strategy, they don't require a lot of time to learn, because the foundation for learning these strategies has already been built. So it's going to take you maybe a couple of weeks to understand the strategies, but on and all, as you can see, that learning to swing trade is going to take you about a good 6 months. Now this is with the assumption that you are learning from someone who is a real trader, who can show you in real life how trading happens, who can show you how to make the connection between the theory that you are learning to the practical aspects of the Indian stock market. Then I will say a good 6 months. But if you are learning on your own, then of course it's going to take you a little longer, because you don't know which aspects of this are not relevant to the Indian market and which aspects are relevant. Now let's talk about intraday trading. Now intraday trading basically means that you create a position and you square off the position within the same trading session. So the buying and selling that is happening in the same day. Now in my experience, if you want to learn intraday trading the right way, it's going to take you about 1 year. You see, the difference between swing trading and intraday trading is very similar to the difference of riding a car on a regular road and being a Formula 1 race car driver. The mechanics of a car remains exactly the same in both the contexts. The accelerator works in exactly the same way, the brake works in exactly the same way, the steering wheel works exactly in the same way. But what changes in the case of Formula 1 race car driving is the speed. In the same way, the concepts that you learned for swing trading are going to be applicable for intraday trading as well. So whatever effort that you have put there, they are going to be definitely useful for the case of intraday trading. But what changes is the speed at which things happen in the case of intraday trading. And you will not believe the number of decisions that you have to make. And any mistake which has not been managed well can be very, very costly. Just like it is costly to make a mistake in a Formula 1 race car driving, it's the same is the case with the intraday trading, that mistakes can be very expensive. So you will have to make a lot of decisions such as which script to trade, which side to take, long side, short side, when to exit when you are in profit, when to exit when you are in a loss, when to add to a position, and there are many other aspects when it comes to intraday trading, especially from a trading psychology standpoint. So the reason intraday trading takes much longer to learn is because we need a lot of practice to be able to understand exactly how market works and also understand about ourselves. See, when you start doing intraday trading, you will learn a lot about your own psychology, the psychology of greed, the psychology of fear, the psychology of uncertainty. And the more you are in touch with these emotions, the more you will learn how to control them and not let your decisions be controlled by these emotions. So the reason intraday trading takes this long is because we need this extra 6 months to master our own psychology and to make a connection with the market. Now there is a very practical reason why intraday trading requires longer time, and it should be learned over a longer duration of time. What you need to understand here is that the markets are not static, they are dynamic. The market context changes all the time. So if you learned trading in a very short duration, let's say a few months, you may know how to trade that kind of a market. But when the market context changes, you will have a tough time understanding what's really going on. So for example, the traders who entered into the stock market back in 2016 and 2017, who saw this raging bull market, and the only thing that they had to do, including myself, was just to wait for a dip, buy the dip, wait for the market to go up, and you sell it. So life was very easy for these guys who entered back in 2016 and 2017. Then comes the market of 2018, which is extremely volatile, and buying on dips did not work. In fact, buying on dips caused them some heavy losses. So a lot of traders who entered into the market in these 2 years, they got wiped out in 2018. Now the traders of 2018 had a similar challenge, but in a different context. When they entered into 2019, the market volatility went down a lot. Now, all those strategies which work on high volatility, they stopped working for them in 2019. So it became very, very difficult for a lot of traders to make money in 2019. And then 2019 traders, they found the market of 2020, which is very similar to the market of 2018, hard to trade. So as you can see, this market goes in cycles. The market goes through expansion, market goes through contraction, bull market, bear market, accumulation and distribution. So when you give yourself a good amount of time, you can see these different phases of the market and you can see that which strategy works in which market context. So guys, to sum it up, the mindset of instant gratification is not going to work if you want to learn trading the right way. And if you are learning swing trading, be prepared to spend a good 6 months. And if you want to learn intraday trading, be prepared to spend a good 1 year if you want to be a good trader. Now I know that a lot of you might be getting a little disappointed hearing about 6 months and 1 year. It seems a little too long, right? But here is my advice to you. Trading is a skill when learned properly will make you money for the rest of your life. You can literally be 80 years old and can still trade from your house. So for learning a valuable skill like this, which is going to make you money for the rest of your life, I don't think spending 6 months or 1 year is an unreasonable amount of time. So have a long view about this and learn trading the right way. So with that, folks, I'm going to wrap this video up, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe it right away.